In this Santorini video, we share our recommendations for what to do based on how many days you'll have to enjoy the island. When visiting Santorini, make sure to stay a minimum of 2 nights and 1 full day, but there's so much to see and do that it's easy to fill 5 to 7 days. If you only have 1 day in Santorini, our top suggested activity is to hike the Fira to Ia footpath. You can do this in either direction, depending on where you're staying and what works best for you. Plan to walk in one direction and return by bus or taxi in the other. Our next suggested must-do activities are to do a boat tour and a wine tour. There are a variety of choices for each. Next, we suggest to explore the lovely small villages of the island and visit the historical sites of the ruins of Akrotiri and ancient Thera. You'll also want plenty of time to wander the cobblestone lanes and alleys in the clifftop villages of Ia, Fira, and Amerivigli. There are a handful of great beaches on Santorini, but if your time is limited, and in comparison to other Greek islands, the beaches of Santorini are not what makes it so special. Then there's nightlife and all the great places to eat on Santorini. 2 of our favorite restaurants to enjoy dinner at are the Athenian House and Metaxi Mas. In our other Things to Do video and throughout our website, we go into greater detail about each of these activities. Check out our Santorini travel guide for more detailed information, including where to stay, ferry port information, and the best hotels, restaurants, tours, and beaches. We've also got lots of other great travel guides and content for popular destinations around the world at santorinidave.com. Follow us on social media, and thanks for watching.